Hi, good morning and Assalamualaikum students.
Waalaikumsalam,
Morning,
teacher.
Hi, good
teacher.
Good
morning,
morning.
teacher.
So how you guys doing today? Have you had your breakfast yet?
Great. Yes.
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 Okay, good. All right, so before we get into the class, as usual, the class rules. Number one, mic off. Always turn off your mic unless I'm asking you a question or if you yourself have question to ask me. Number two, camera stays on because I want to see either you guys are focused or not in class. The third one is stay hydrated. Drink all you want, be it Starbucks, coffee, tea life, cool block, anything you want, but plain water is recommended. Why? Because it is healthier. All right, so before we start the class, I want to see either your mind is on focus mode or not. So we're going to play a game. I'm going to show you two pictures and I want you guys to spot the differences. There are 5 differences in the pictures, okay? So I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Your 10 seconds starts now.
The
The grass,
grass,
teacher.
The
Grass, the
the
grass,
teeth,
tree,
okay.
teeth,
The trees,
the tree,
and teeth,
The shoe.
the teeth, the shoe,
shoe,
t-shirt.
and the shirt.
the shirt. Okay, let's check your answers. Congratulations, you got it all correct. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, good job. So, into our today's lesson, which is on chemical bonding, chapter 5, form 4. Have you guys heard of chemical bonding before?
No.
No,
No?
not
It's
sure.
okay. We're going to take a look at chemical bonding today. So, Uh, for today's lesson, the learning outcomes are by the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the basics of compound formation, explain with examples the formation of ionic bond, explain with examples the formation of covalent bond, and compare ionic bonds and covalent bonds. So, the first one is we're going to take a look at how does compound form. Basically, noble gases are monoatomic gases that are not reactive. Because it have achieved a stable duplet, which is 2, or octet, which is 8, electron arrangement. However, for atoms in other elements, they need to transfer or share their electron to achieve stability. Okay, so the first one is ionic bond. What is ionic bond? Okay, number one, metal atoms donates valence electron to form positively charged ion or cation. Okay. Number two, non-metals atoms receive valence electron to form negatively charged ion or anion. And number three, ionic compound form when ions of opposite charges attract one another to form ionic bond. So I want you guys to remember these keywords, which is number one, metals donates and form cation. Number two, non-metals receive from an ion. Number three, both attract each other to form ionic compound. You guys get that?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Okay, good.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, the formation of ionic bond. As you guys can see, atom 1, which is metal, and atom 2, which is non-metal. Atom 1 will transfer, as you guys can see. Atom 1 gives the electron to atom 2, and atom 1 become a cation, and atom 2 become an ion, and they both have achieved a stable electron arrangement, and they will form a ionic molecule. All right. So before going to any example, can you guys recall the 3 keywords that I have mentioned in ionic bond? Number one is
Metal,
Metals
donate,
Metals
donate
donate
from
from
cation.
cation.
okay. Number two,
Non-metals receive
non-metal,
Non-metals
from an ion.
receive to form an
from
ion.
okay. Number three,
both
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 attract
attract
attract to
to each
each
other
each
other
to
other
to
to
form
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 ionic
ionic
compound.
compound.
good job. Okay, so the example of ionic bond is anyone?
Lithium fluoride.
Magnesium oxide.
Potassium chloride.
Oh,
I
what?
think
Can
sodium
you
chloride.
repeat? Sodium chloride. Okay, some more.
Lithium fluoride.
Lithium fluoride. Okay.
Magnesium
Potassium
oxide.
chloride.
Yes, magnesium oxide. And Anna, did you say potassium chloride?
Yes.
Okay, you got it all correct. Congratulations. All right, I can see you guys are focused. All right, so the next one, we're going to go through the covalent bond, okay? So covalent bond, for your level, there are 3 bond, which is single bond, double bond, and triple bond. So what is single bond? 2 atoms share only 1 pair of electrons. For double bond, 2 atoms share 2 pairs of electrons. For triple bond, 2 atoms share 3 pairs of electrons. Okay, I need you guys, as usual, remember the keywords. Okay, this one is for covalent bond. Number 1, single bond 1 pair, double bond 2 pair, triple bond 3 pairs. Okay, so this is the formation of covalent bond. As you guys can see, atom 1 is non-metal and atom 2 is either non-metal or metalloid. Okay, they will share 1 pair of valence electron and form a covalent bond called single bond. All right. The second one is double bond, the same as single bond, but this time they share 2 pairs of electrons and will form a covalent bond called double bond. For triple bond, the same as goes to triple bond, but for the triple bond, they pairs 3 pairs of electron valence and will form a covalent bond called triple bond. All right, do you guys get it? Do you guys understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good job, good job. Okay, so can you recall the 3 keywords that I have mentioned in covalent bond just now? What is number 1?
Single bond,
Single
double
bond,
bond,
1 pair.
One
Okay,
pair.
number 2.
Double
Double
bond.
double
bond,
bond,
2 pair.
Pair.
1 pairs.
Okay, number 3.
triple
Triple bond,
bond,
3
bond,
three
pairs.
One,
pairs.
3
Three
pairs.
pairs.
Okay, good job, student. Okay, so for the example, I need one volunteer to list out the example of covalent bond. Anyone?
I want to try, teacher.
Okay, Mira.
For the first one, which is single bond, I think it is chlorine gas, Cl2. And then for the second one, double bond is oxygen gas, O2. And the last one is triple bond, which is nitrogen gas, N2.
Good job, Amira. You got it all correct. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job, good job. So, I know you guys are doing well. I know you guys are doing great in class. You guys understand what I teach and deliver the context in class. But if you want to check out more, you can scan the QR code as shown in the slide. The first one is for ionic bond and the second one is for covalent bond. You don't need to take pictures right now because as usual, I will share these slides in your Google Classroom after the class, okay? So, activity time. So now we're gonna go through Kahoot, and I want you guys to answer the question as usual. Okay. Can you guys see the slide?
Yes.
No, yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Question 1 is on chemical bonding. Okay. Which one of these is single bond? Okay.
Both
Both
atoms
atoms
share a pair of electrons.
Electron.
The red one.
This one,
The
the
red
red one.
Yeah, the red one.
Yes.
Are you sure?
The right one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, correct. Okay, the
Super
next
sure.
one is on true or false. Okay, ionic bond formed between metal and non-metals. Is it true or is it false?
True.
True.
True? True.
Yes.
Correct. Congratulations. Okay, the next one is noble gas has reached which what?
Duplet.
Duplet or
Duplet or outlet.
The blue one?
Electrons.
Is it?
Yes, the
Yes,
blue one.
The blue one. Correct, as usual. Okay, the next one is on true or false. Covalent bond require an ion and cation. Is it true or is it false?
false.
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 False. Okay, false. Correct. And the last question is true or false. Covalent bond and ionic bond involve only valence electron. Is it true or is it false?
True.
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 True? Are you sure? Is it true?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
For sure.
Okay. Good job. You got the answers all correct. Give yourself a round of applause. I'm so proud of you guys. Okay, we're gonna continue back into the syllabus. Okay. Just a little bit more. Do you guys need a break, or do you guys want to continue?
Continue,
Continue.
teacher.
Continue.
Continue.
Okay, continue. So this is the last part, which is we're gonna go take a look on the differences and the similarities between ionic bond and covalent bond. So the differences between ionic bond and covalent bond, number one is that ionic bond transfer electron, while covalent bond they share electrons. Number two, ionic bond is between metal and non-metal atoms, while covalent bond is between non-metal atoms and metalloids. Number three, ionic bond form positively and negatively charged ions, while covalent bond only form a molecule. And the similarities of both bonds is that it involves valence electrons only, and the atoms achieve stable octet, which is 8, as I've mentioned, or duplet, 2, electron arrangement. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
So far, yes. So
Yes.
far, yes.
Yes. Okay, good, good. So the last one is homework. Okay. For the homework today, I want you guys to make a mind map of the comparison between ionic bond and covalent bond, specifically on the similarities and differences. Okay. I want you guys to do it on the sheet of paper, take a picture of it, and submit it to Google Classroom by next week lah, as usual. So I think that's all. Okay, before we end class, I want to say thank you, all of you, for all the contribution, the interactions. Your cooperation is so good today. Okay, as usual, I'm gonna see you guys next time, the same day, the same time. I guess that's all. Okay, thank you and assalamualaikum.
Thank you,
Waalaikumsalam.
teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye.
Bye.